guys, we're switching it up. So, there's some bugs. Ice trays. Oh man. Oh, it's just gooey. That's decent. I'll get some furniture and stuff today. Try to have a garage sale. Alright guys. Another Hollywood bed frame. Ooh, they broke that one. Dang. Got a little rough. Ooh, no. Something else. A curtain rod, something. 20, 30 bucks. What else we got? Paintings. Alright, good to me. That's pretty neat. Got a little bike. Yeah, can donate it. Ah, no, we'll scrap it. It looks dangerous. Oh, that sucks. Alright, guys. We got a ceiling fan, guys. Let's grab the whole thing real quick. That's all I see. Alright, got an ironing board, guys, and a table. You get smacked in the face. I guarantee it. I'll take it. It's got metal on it, and since they're going in the trash. Alright. The metal. Couple of them. More. This stuff's been out here a while. Already rusted. That's hard to grab. Oh my goodness. This awkward thing. Oh, there's more metal over there. Another one. Oh, it's wood. Never mind. That's all I see, guys. Alright. Carpet machine or something. Oh, they're stupid heavy. Whoa. Got a cord on it. That's all I see, guys. I'm gonna leave that. Alright. Got some more. Ooh, hey guys, there might be our sign. Look at that. Oh, that's neat, isn't it? Look at that. Huh. Those are cool. Oh, those are neat, aren't they? Tripod. Let it go with the GoPro. That's metal. aluminum. Yep. Let's see here. There we go. More metal. Those look like 6-footers. Alright. Looks good to me. A little bit extra before we head that way. Alright guys, that'll do it. Not the biggest, heaviest load, but I'm going to empty it and see if I can't fill her up again. Got that fan's got that copper in it, so that was a good deal. And some extension cord and stuff, but that'll do it guys. You know, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you on the next one.